My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Mayor Fresh don come out to come reveal the reason why he go put up Sooj for possible eviction. And also, Wanni and her sister Handi, two of them don come out to come clap for themselves over the strong strategy wey they use to remain inside the game till today. And lastly, Nelly don reveal to Anita the reason why she no go fit date Topher or any other man for inside the Big Brother Naija mansion. So before we go into all those plenty story, make we first do a breakdown of wetin sup yesterday and today. So yesterday they do their Custodian challenge, and na Mayor Fresh and Befrush na win the particular challenge. Now remember I thought say Mayor Fresh and his colleague, two of them, they had na dem be the four bottom people wey be say dey for the list after viewers vote. Viewers voted, so e come remain four people for bottom, and according to the way Big Brother do one, the four people wey be say dey for the bottom, the four pairs wey dey for the bottom, the housemates that go come vote who they go evict that particular day. So e come turn out say na Mayor Fresh and e partner, the radicals comprises of Mikey and Femi David. Then we have Tammy comprised of Damilola and Toyosi. And lastly, checkers na the sisters Chizoba and Onyeka. So the fact wey be the thing wey be say shock people online, and the fact say checkers actually come out for bottom 4.
She will calm down, and I just no, she will calm down. You will see. She will think we don't like it, and we actually like.
I pray she calms down. No, I don't want her to leave early. Oh, I pray she calms down. I don't know why she's.
But that's the reason why people actually liked her now. The cho she has been doing. That's why we like her.
Yeah, so I think our fans will double up their efforts this time around.
Yeah, every other fan too will double.
Yeah, and every other fan will do so.
Other fans is tripling.
Yeah. So
see, me, my own is that they should have put Victoria in bottom whatever, even as a joke.
Bottom 4, but they don't have hypo. Now their money they talk, so that means they drop money for both.
They should have put Victoria in.
They drop money, Victoria drop.
But
they say twins boys, they don't have hypo.
as in, you don't get hype, you know see them.
Wait, Big Love, you don't know who they become by doing.
Money stop nonsense. Money is a bastard. Money stop nonsense. If you have money and you have proper team, you are good. Not be by shouting. They shout. Feel like you shout heaven and earth. If you not get team, they can't have.
Exactly, they are doing twins. They have strong families. They don't make noise.
Come on, I enjoy this game, dying. I'm telling you people.
Big Love, what you talking? They enjoy which game?
It concerns you, Juicy. I enjoy myself.
You guys just talk Juicy, what is surprising to me is Zinwe. Chinwe and Zion, like what the, I don't know how they say, like why are they not in bottom 4?
It won't make Phil chop you raw for you.
Hold on guys, I love what Sean told Victoria. He said Onyeka is the one carrying her pay. She has communications with everyone in the house. I don't want us to ever be in this kind of position, because it might be us, the twins boys or the twins girl, that are going home. Everyone who is stronger than will be up. So I just hope we do better and the viewers see us for who we are. And you didn't lie.
Next week,
you didn't lie.
Next week,
anybody can go home. You might think it's all this thing. Strong people today now. Next week it might be them. You can't say. He's saying he's a very smart guy. Sean is a very smart guy. He knows what he's saying.
Very smart. Very smart. Very smart.
And he's very calculated. Very calculated.
Reality don't shock Sean. You don't
what happened there?
If I not follow her talk now.
Hold on, guys. He said what happened today, Onyeka is a very strong person. She's the one carrying that peg. But what happened today? He would have been me, the twins boys, or the twin girl. That is going on. That is to show the viewers have to start. And you people, man, be calming down. Everyone must not be loud. Yes, Victoria is like that. If that's her attitude, if that is her personality, so be it. You cannot force her to be loud. You cannot force her to be who she does not want to be or fake it. Yes.
Because we know also Onyeka, according to her, now she the gossip of this season at Jazeera, and as if the team backfire against her because viewers not vote for her. Most of the time, people will be say they vote, not be people will be say they talk too much online. And the ones who they talk too much online, they shout, they insult people. Those ones they not they vote, they not even get Go TV, they not get DSTV, they have no decoder in their house. They just there, they make noise online. Their mates they put in the work. Today they can't do their immunity challenge and come turn out say na the Imbadiwe twins na come win the immunity challenge, which means they not go fit put them for nominations. They will not be evicted this week. Even Mayor Fresh and the colleague Toby, they safe this week. For Ndine win the head of house game, and they are not immune to eviction on Sunday. Unto today matter, Nelly, as she take explain the reason why we say she no go fit date Topher. As we all know, Topher na person wey be say they put eye for where she date too. Wetin be im name? Sean eye still dey there. Like some few people, even Sooj sef eye dey for where Nelly dey. She come dey explain to Anita talk say the reason why be say she no fit date anybody for the house na because she get a serious relationship for outside and she respect the guy a lot. She no dey interested in cheating on him. I remember talk say Nelly na stripper, she dey do erotic dancing, and if una check am well, since she come into the house, she never really do anything ridiculous wey be say we see. She dey always behave herself. Mine dey tell me to say Nelly wan play Sooj and Topher, and e no make sense because Sean don dey advise the pair, don dey advise dem say make dem no fall for the trap wey be say Nelly dey set for the two of them. So unto Wanni and her twin sister Handi, two of them today they dey outline their strategy so far. According to them, they say they do cooking. Say if it comes to cooking, two of them dey there, which is actually true. They don't say the game where be say they play for they very strategic. Say they be one of the best players for inside the Big Brother house. Also revealed to say they have the strongest ship for the Big Brother house and the thing they work for them. All of us know to say Big Brother fans, they like ship a lot. They like people where be say they sabi cook. They like people where they naked and all of that. And the Wanni and the Handi, they for all this type of category. So definitely they must get fans. That's why I say they no fit appear for bottom for if we really want tell ourselves the truth. Remember, say when these twins come into the Big Brother house, they make a plan. They tell viewers to say their plan now to add certain people's script. They first of all mention Messieke. They can't reason Fina matter. They say no, they no fit add Fina script because they are not loud. They go still do white money game too. So until Mayor Fresh and is it Mayor Fresh and the other one Toby Fresh, two of them they become the what do they call the custodian of the season for this week, and they reverse for Sooj. According to a mayor they claim to say Sooj na snake, and if they tell am to save person, replace person with another housemate, say na Sooj now he go replace with person wey be say safe so that he go house. Say the guy dey sneaky and he cannot be trusted. Sooj never get fans. Mo tell ourselves the truth. Now Topher dey happy life for that house. So I believe that Topher fans go do everything possible to keep Topher for inside the house. And if Topher dey inside the house, that means Sooj go actually dey inside the house too. Anyways, I dey hope say they will keep Topher inside the house because I want make Sooj dey and make Sooj dey press certain people neck. I no fit wait to see the drama wey be say wan erupt between Topher and Sooj and Nelly. Take care, una bye.